This is Coffee and Crypto, and now comes the explainer of the day, and that is, what is day trading? Well, it's a trading strategy that involves entering and exiting positions on the same trading day. The entire goal of day trading crypto is to profit off small moves in the market. It's also called intraday trading. The term comes from conventional stock market, where it opens only on business days. So day trading, or let's say day traders, don't leave positions open overnight. Hence the term, which is day trading. But why do it? What are the advantages? Well, cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so you can make profits with small moves. You don't see a high jump in traditional stock market in value within a single day, but such jumps are common in the cryptoverse. But then there are different crypto trading strategies, rather day trading strategies. I'll just discuss three, and then we'll get on to our guests. So first is scalping. This day trading strategy's base lies in increased trading volume. Traders sometimes enter and exit within minutes, taking small gains along the way. And then comes our second day trading strategy, that is arbitrage. This means buying a coin on one platform and selling it on another, taking advantage of the price difference between the two platforms. But make sure you pick your coin and exchanges carefully in this. Third one is HFT, that is high frequency trading. It's a type of algorithmic trading strategy typically used by quantitative traders, that's also called quant traders. This involves developing algorithms and trading bots that can quickly enter and exit many positions over a short amount of time. And when we say short amount of time, that's milliseconds as well. And that is why you need bots and algorithms for this. But this is more complicated as compared to what it sounds like. High frequency trading includes a lot of backtesting, monitoring, tweaking the algorithm to adapt to the volatile market conditions. And now we'll open the discussion with our two guests that we have. First, we have Rohas Nagpal, Chief Blockchain Architect, Hi-Fi Blockchain. Abhishek Bhattacharya, Co-Founder at Brew Finance. A very warm welcome, gentlemen. I'll begin with asking you about note of caution that you want to give on day trading. Rohas?
Sure. So as you know, I've always been against the concept of day trading. See, while it is possible to make a lot of money because crypto is very volatile, it is actually easier to lose a huge amount of money.
True.
Now, when you talk about intraday trading, you're looking at graphs and charts and guessing. Please let me tell you, there is not too much of logic behind it. You are trying to guess what the large number of people are thinking, and accordingly you expect the market to move. Now, if you really must do it, I think the best strategy would be to go around news and sentiment analysis. So suppose, for example, recently Binance got legal permission in France. Now, we could expect a small rise in the price of their native token because a very positive news has come. So I would say, if you want to do it, news and sentiment analysis is probably one of the best techniques.
But Rohas, you're making it sound like a tukka, and people who do a lot of number crunching might get offended with this.
I'm sure they will be offended, but I still believe it's a lot of speculation.
Okay, Mr. Bhattacharya, what do you think? What is one note of caution that you would like to give the viewers?
Absolutely. So, in day trading, day trading is dangerous even, I believe, in the stock market, which is not that volatile, right? Also, it is not overnight. That's a caution that we have to really be aware of, that crypto is 24/7, 365, right? There's no, market off timings. So that's one piece of caution, that you do day trading. Yes, fine. If you do day trading, many people are pretty successful in that, but that's the definition of what's pretty, right? Because you know that even in stock market, less than 1% profitable traders are there, as Zerodha says, right? So yeah, because we have to make sure that we are cautious, that we don't leave our positions overnight. Yes, we curtail it in day, and we make sure that also, as Rohas said, right, we can ride on the news, but we also know that, news, as opposed to popular view, we should sell on news, right, instead of buy, because I've lost a lot of money on news, right? So I can know that. So basically, that's one caution.
So you've tried and tested this?
Okay, kind of, yes, in both markets.
Any one strategy that you pick or prefer?
To be honest, I've tried a bit of algo trading, which is the one you explained at the end, the quant trading, because there you don't have to spend a lot of time yourself, your hours. Otherwise, in day trading, I think you cannot focus on your work. You have to constantly be on your computers, looking at the terminals. So a bit of algo trading, some trials, but again, not a lot of extent.
But I also said that it's a lot more complicated than what it really sounds like. Would you agree with that? And if yes, how?
quite difficult. Yes, Arun, you're very right. I mean, why it's very complicated, because if you're just looking to have faith in someone else doing it for you, it's a different story. Then it's not complicated for you. You can sleep while the other person does that and takes a cut, right? Other than that, if you don't understand the coin, if you don't understand the volume mechanics, everything, it's not just difficult. You're not going to be able to do that, right? You're going to fail.
Rohas, any one strategy that you pick?
I would say copy trading is a good strategy. So what happens in that is different platforms allow you to copy or follow successful traders. So you can actually see their performance over the last several months or maybe over a year. And then you say, okay, this guy gets it right 90% of the time. Let me just copy him. So in that case, you don't have to do your own thinking. You're just copying a successful person's trade. I think that's a good way to go if you want to go down the path.
Right. And Rohas, who does it suit the best, day trading?
The exchanges, because they make a lot of the money because of the transaction fee they generate. So at the end of the day, like they say in gambling, the casino always wins. I would say in day trading, the exchange always wins.
Would you agree, Abhishek?
Absolutely. I mean, that's the perfect example.
Yeah, I caught that with your nod that you actually explained.
Exchange always win, right? You never win. I mean, you think you're winning, but tomorrow you're going to lose. Exchange is always going to win. Absolutely.
And in the end, Abhishek, things that, traders should keep in mind.
Yeah, absolutely. One thing is that don't play it on a hunch, right? That okay, I was good today, tomorrow I'm going to be better, or at least this good. You're going to fail, right? If you don't know the the specifics of how to do trading any kind, even in stock market we've seen, if you don't know the patterns, what you have to see, if you don't know the averages and the moving average and everything that you want to see in your coin, you don't have a basket of coins that you're really good at, that anyone asks you a question and you're able to answer them in your sleep, I don't think that you should come into trading, do your day job, right? So, yeah.
Okay, well, that's all the time that we had for this segment. Thank you, gentlemen, for answering all our questions.